Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Forgive me, I have a sore throat, so bear with me. This month I'll show you how to make some healthy homemade mayonnaise. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. The original recipe calls for 100 ml of water, but I used less cause it turns out a bit runny. There's basically one step. In a food processor, add the eggs, the olive oil, the vinegar, the water, the salt and the garlic, and blend it well. And there you have it, easily homemade mayonnaise. I'll admit, it tastes a bit like an egg salad, but it's healthier than the store-bought mayonnaise. So let me know in the comments below if you made this one and what are your thoughts on this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!